Well, hey there, how are you? I'm bring I'm bringing to you a new video on chicken and veggies. I'm gonna try. I have to eat light. Doctor's orders. I got some water boiling. Chopped up cauliflower. Chopped up broccoli. And that's not going to be a traditional meal. This is going to be something I just thought of. Thought it would sound good. So we're going to try it and see how it works out. This is almost empty, so let's just use all of it. Let's toss this a little bit. We're not going to add any seasonings yet, but we will in a minute. Basically what I want to do is steam the veggies. So I'm going to let them steam for a good 10 minutes. Then we're going to add our diced up chicken. We're going to cook that together, and I'm going to put some sauces in there. We're going to see how it turns out. So we'll bring you back when it comes to that phase, okay? Okay, we're back. It's been 10 minutes. Give this a little stir. I'm going to drain all the water out of my sink because it's just water. Okay. Let me get the water drippings off. Now, I'm going to add my sliced, diced chicken. I drained it. Let's add our seasonings. First, we're going to add a little bit of crushed rosemary. And my burner's still on a medium-low. About 2 pinches of that. Next is my garlic powder. I'm going to put probably 3 pinches of that. I love me some garlic powder. Onion powder. About 3 pinches of that. Oop. A little spillage. Next, poultry seasoning. I just love to add poultry seasoning. I'm not going to put my fingers in that. I'm just going to dump it. This one gets really messy. Probably about, I would say probably a tablespoon. Next is going to be my chicken bouillon. This is the one that we made together. I'll put a link on that video that we did together on this. It really turned out really good. I'm going to rinse my hands off for a minute. Let me add my veggies back in here because they're not totally soft. They're close to soft, but not totally soft. And as this cooks, they're going to get softer and not get mushy. At least that's the plan. Let's give this a little toss. Now we got to put liquid in here, right? I'm going to be adding a little bit of hoisin sauce. And I'm going to add a tad of water, not a lot. I really like this hoisin sauce. Someday I'll make it myself, but I don't know if I will or not. And I'm going to add a little bit of this cream. This is the equivalent of heavy cream, but this is Mexican cream. And I'm just shaking it. You always want to shake your cream. And again, this is still just on low heat. Mine digit has 10 digits on it, and it's like on a 3. Oop. Okay, yeah, it's still good. Wanted to say, okay, make sure it says it's good until I got another 3 more months, so that should work out good. Now we're going to toss all this. About half a cup of water. I think that's all it's going to need. Now we're going to simmer this about 20 minutes. Give it time. Let me just add a little bit of heat so that chicken could cook. And then we're going to put this on a slow simmer. So let me stir all the seasonings. Make sure all the flavor is turning out good. I wish we had smell-o-vision. So let me smooth this all out. I'm going to put my lid back on. We want the steam of the heat to get everything cooking. Let me put this on a medium. Checking my burner. Okay, we should be good. I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes, then I'm going to do another toss. Okay, we'll bring you back. 15 minutes. Okay, we are back for the last batch. It's been cooking. Wow, smells so good. I'm going to show you. Look at that. Got a little bit of gravy to it. But I'm going to add just a little bit of cornstarch just to make it have a little bit more gravy. Cornstarch. Just going to do a little. I'm not going to do a lot. We'll just mix it all up. It'll thicken up. Turn off my heat. Plenty hot. Keeping that lid on there keeps the heat in there. And everything cooks. And supper is ready. So whatever long the time this whole video took, that's how long it takes to cook this supper. I don't know till I edit what it is. But let's get a plate. It's ready. Get myself a fork. We can do the taste test. Broccoli, cauliflower, a little bit of gravy. Just turn you around. Let me move you up just a tad. And this is all my ingredients that I use to make this. So let's take a taste test. A little broccoli, nice and tender. No, that was cauliflower. Broccoli, cauliflower, chicken. It's hot. I should have waited for it to cool down a little bit. But that is a nice quick. I'm getting my veggies, got my main protein, and I got a little bit of gravy to it. So it feels like I'm cheating a little bit, but it's a good nutritious meal. And this is my take on a homemade quick and easy meal. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and share. Take care now. Bye-bye.